Hey everyone, and welcome to this explainer, where we're going to tackle a household dilemma that honestly sparks some surprisingly fierce debates. Think about it for a second. Buying a washing machine isn't just some quick impulse purchase you make on a Tuesday, right? It's a serious 10 to 14-year commitment. You are essentially bringing a long-term roommate into your house. So today, we're framing this whole thing as a high-stakes, head-to-head matchup. It is the ultimate heavyweight bout, front-load versus top-load washers. We're going to cut through all the noise, ditch the marketing jargon, and bust a few myths so we can figure out exactly which machine actually deserves that coveted spot in your laundry room. Here is our fight card for today. 1. Meet the contenders. 2. The cleaning showdown. 3. Efficiency and the true cost. 4. Daily convenience factors. And finally, your ultimate decision guide. Let's just dive right in. All right, Section 1. Meet the contenders. Understanding the mechanics. Okay, for our weigh-in round, let's look at the hidden mechanics of the front-load machine first. Now, on the outside, both of these machines just kind of look like big metal boxes that wash your clothes, right? But their internal mechanics are completely different, and that difference changes literally everything about how they perform. So, the front-loader features a horizontally mounted drum. Instead of some aggressive internal part doing the heavy lifting, it relies purely on gravity. As that drum rotates, your clothes are gently lifted up and then dropped, over and over through a pretty shallow pool of water mixed with detergent. It's an incredibly effective tumbling motion that works the soap really deep into the fabric fibers, and it does it without a ton of mechanical wear and tear. Oh, and what's really wild here is the spin speed. These machines spin at a massive 1,200 to 1,600 RPMs to extract maximum moisture before you even think about putting them in your dryer. Now, in the opposite corner, we've got the top-load machine. This is that traditional vertical drum design that, let's be honest, pretty much all of us grew up with. To get your clothes clean, it relies on one of two things. It either has a central, finned post called an agitator, which physically twists and rubs the clothes against each other to literally knock the dirt loose, or it has a more modern bottom wash plate, which is also known as an impeller. Now, the absolute crucial point here is that to make this physical friction work, especially with an agitator, your clothes generally need to be fully submerged in water. Moving on to Section 2, the cleaning showdown. Which machine fights dirt better? Kicking off the first major round of our matchup, we absolutely have to address the biggest question of all. Which design actually gets your clothes cleaner? I mean, you'd think there's a straightforward winner here, wouldn't you? Well, it actually isn't a simple one-size-fits-all answer. As you're going to see, the winner of this round heavily depends on the specific type of laundry your household is churning out on a weekly basis. Before we can officially crown a winner for cleaning, we need to bust a super common appliance myth right out of the gate. You will constantly hear people say, well, top-load machines always clean better because they use more water. This perfectly illustrates a massive misunderstanding of how laundry science actually works. More water does not mean better cleaning. Actually, scratch that, it's worse. Excess water actively dilutes your detergent. Front loaders use that concentrated tumbling action we talked about in a much smaller pool of water, which forces a highly potent detergent mix right into the fabric to fight ground-in dirt. So when we're talking about real deep cleaning power, think tough kitchen grease, grass stains on a kid's baseball uniform, or heavily oil-stained work clothes. The front-load design is the undisputed champion here. That gravity tumbling motion is just fantastic for lifting stubborn stains. However, if we're talking about visible dirt removal, like needing to quickly knock thick, caked-on mud off sturdy work clothes or really heavy towels, the rougher physical agitation of a traditional top-load machine is incredibly effective. You just have to keep in mind that that same aggressive rubbing action is going to cause your fabrics to thin out and your colors to fade a lot faster over time. Let's look at Section 3, efficiency and true cost, the long game. All right, round 2 of our bout. We're shifting our focus away from the laundry room for a second and looking right at your utility bills. I want you to take a second to let this number sink in. 13,000. This is a massive data shocker. 13,000 is the maximum number of gallons of water a traditional top loader with an agitator can use over just 300 loads in a single year. Guys, that's literally a small swimming pool's worth of water being pumped through your house just to clean your clothes. This massive water gap happens simply because of the underlying mechanics. A front-load washer typically uses just 13 to 20 gallons of water per cycle. Because it relies on gravity pulling the clothes down into the water, it doesn't need to fill the whole tub. Meanwhile, a top-load agitator machine demands 30 to 45 gallons per cycle just to submerge the clothes so they can rub together. Highlighting this huge gap is absolutely crucial. If you're on a septic system, or maybe you live in an area with strict water restrictions, or you're simply trying to lower your monthly utility bills and environmental footprint, this difference is just staggering. Now, what's really fascinating is looking at the timeline of your wallet. On day one, the top-load machine almost always wins on a lower upfront purchase price. Basic top-loaders are incredibly budget-friendly. But let's jump ahead to year 5. The front-load machine, because it uses way less hot water and extracts so much more moisture that your dryer barely has to run, starts to recoup that higher initial cost through lower utility bills. And by year 14, which is the end of a machine's typical lifespan, the front-loader wins decisively on long-term efficiency savings. Upfront price tags really only tell half the financial story here. Up next, Section 4, Daily Convenience Factors, Lifestyle Compatibility. Stepping away from the hard data and the finances, let's talk about the everyday reality of doing laundry, specifically your time. Top loaders strike a major blow here for speed. A standard top load cycle finishes in a super brisk 30 to 45 minutes. Front load cycles, because they rely on that much gentler, less water-intensive tumbling action, take a lot longer, usually 45 to 90 minutes. So if you're the kind of person who has to frantically wash a uniform the night before a game, top loaders are a total lifesaver. But wait, there is a catch. Front loaders actually make up for this on the back end. Remember those massive 1600 RPM spin speeds we talked about? Because of that, the clothes come out significantly drier, which realistically saves you 10 to 20 minutes of drying time later on. Summarizing your daily physical interactions with these machines, let's talk about ergonomics. Front loaders require bending to load and unload, unless you buy a pedestal, which is going to cost you extra. But they are stackable, which is a game changer for saving floor space. Top loaders require no bending at all, but they have to sit side by side. For maintenance, front loaders definitely demand a bit more work. You have to wipe down that rubber gasket and leave the door open so it doesn't get that nasty, musty smell. Top loaders just air out naturally and generally have simpler, cheaper repairs down the line. As for noise, well, front loaders offer a whisper quiet wash, but that high-speed spin can cause some pretty serious floor vibration. Top loaders are louder during the wash because of that agitator splashing around, but they're much quieter during the spin cycle. Finally, Section 5, your ultimate decision guide, crowning the champion. We've reached the climax of our explainer. And you know what? We are completely abandoning the idea of a universal winner today, because honestly, there simply isn't one. Instead, here is your final judge's scorecard recapping both heavyweight designs. Front load pros, superior stain cleaning, highly efficient, and you can stack them. The cons, higher upfront cost, longer wash cycles, and they absolutely require regular maintenance to prevent mold. Top load pros, a lower upfront cost, much faster wash cycles, and they're way easier on your back since there's no bending. The cons, incredibly high water usage, they're harsher on your fabrics over time, and there is no way you can stack them. So, who should actually be placing their bets on the front load fighter? You should absolutely invest your money here if you tackle tough stains frequently. I'm talking sports gear, heavily soiled work clothes, or cloth diapers. If you have a really high laundry volume and want to actively lower your utility bills and environmental impact over the next decade, this is for you. Also, if you live in a condo or an apartment and just have to stack your units to save valuable floor space, it's a no-brainer. And crucially, you have to be the type of person who doesn't mind the minor daily chore of wiping the gasket and leaving the door cracked to keep it smelling fresh. On the other hand, you are going to be so much happier walking away with a top-load fighter if you are on a strict budget right now and just want the lowest possible upfront price for a washing machine. If you have bad knees, back problems, or any mobility concerns where bending down repeatedly is just going to be painful, top-load is the way to go. If you're a chronic last-minute laundry doer who needs lightning-fast cycle times to get out the door on time, this is your machine. And finally, if you just prefer an appliance with simpler mechanics that won't cost you an arm and a leg when it's time for future repairs. So when all is said and done, it comes down to one final question. Which machine matches how your household actually does laundry? Look, it is so easy to get caught up in flashy efficiency ratings or whatever the latest design trend is on social media, but the crucial takeaway here is this. Ignore the trendy reputations. Whether you end up choosing the deep cleaning efficiency of the front loader or the fast ergonomic simplicity of the top loader, the true champion is the one that fits seamlessly into your daily reality for the next 10 to 14 years. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and hey, happy washing.